Welcome to week 6 of Herzing IS112 Computer Networks. Okay, for this week we're going to do a little bit of balancing network next. Let's go. So the purpose of this presentation is to balance out the NICs between two servers. Basically, there are two NICs and balance out the workload. The following example shows two different virtual machines using two different physical network interface cards. The above server is running on VM network 1. One of the key terms in this presentation is virtual server. Ideally, a virtual server mimics dedicated server functionalities. Rather than implementing multiple dedicated servers, several virtual servers may be implemented on one physical server. Each virtual server is designated a separate operating system, software, or an independent boot provisioning. An overflow of virtual servers is a physical machine may lead to an overflow of virtual servers in a physical machine may lead to resource hogging, and if a virtual server uses more resources than another, performance issues may result. With respect to balancing out the NICs, in this example the server has two physical NICs. You can also set up virtual NICs, but the performance is not the same with the virtual NICs. The above server is using VM network 2. Key point, all servers need to conform to the following network names, and so you need to have the same name so that when you move the virtual servers around from box to box, they'll still work. Basically, if you have 4 VMs, have 2 VMs go to VM network 1 and 2 VMs to go to VM network 2, so the network load is more balanced. You need to look at each server and say, okay, which two servers use the most network resources and which two servers use the least. You put one with the most on one network card and one with the least on the same network card, and do the same for the second network card. And please note, you can switch to NICs without powering them down with virtual servers. Once the server is powered off, go to the Summary tab and then select Edit Settings. And you can see right here under Edit Settings, you see right here it says what network it's on. Select Network Adapter, choose from the pull down the desired adapter, in this case VM network 1, then click OK, then power up the server and continue to do this for the entire physical server until all VM NICs are balanced out. You have now completed the week 6 presentation for IS112 Computer Networks. Always remember to try and apply what we learned about balancing out network resources outside of this classroom.